The heart of the factory. I've never seen anything. Enough parts. It's incredible.
This must be it.
Just the beginning. 100 years. Let's see what's left. Time to see what's left in here. After 100 years, it worked. Let's see what's inside. The heart of the factory. A century of silence, yet the engineering is incredible. Look at these forgotten robot parts. I've never seen anything this big. It's incredible. Untouched. Enough parts here to build an army. I found it. The blueprints. These aren't just robots, they're titans. Unbelievable. All of this still here. What are these for? The scale of this place. It's endless. Incredible. So many parts. After all this time, enough to rebuild an army. The infrastructure down here is incredible. It must be over a century old. All right, let's see what's in here. Incredible. It's been untouched for a century. I've never seen anything like this. This must be the heart of it all.
Oh, yeah.
Incredible. It really did power an entire city. Emergency power. Complete.
Decades of dust. Still intact.
We need to get these back online. Still here. Unbelievable. Yeah. Hundreds of them. So detailed. Who knows how long it's been? Yeah. I've never seen anything like it. It's so much bigger down here. And so quiet. What is this place? Unbelievable. This is centuries ahead of anything they told us about. I can't believe this. It's immense. How could this have been hidden? It's incredible. Untouched. So far beyond anything I've ever seen. The original designs. Incredible. Extraordinary. Oh, these blueprints are incredible. He was a genius. These are the original designs. Entry here. Experimental battery technologies. They were a century ahead. I'll be back with what it needs. This is just the beginning.